Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install CEX IO on iPhone. CEX IO is a mobile app connected to the crypto exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, store and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and more. On iPhone it gives you full access to a crypto portfolio, price tracking and secure transaction in one place. So first you need to open to your iPhone and open the App Store there, and this is the only safe place to download official apps on iOS. You can tap on the search bar on the bottom and simply type down cex.io and search for it here. And over here we can find there's an option for the CEX.io in the top. Simply tap the get beside it there and make sure it is the official app and always verify the developer. And you need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. You need to confirm it and the download will begin immediately. And installing CEX IO on iPhone is straightforward. Search on the App Store, download the official app, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.